What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practices, technologies, and processes designed to protect digital information, networks, and systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves measures to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber threats such as hacking, malware, phishing, or ransomware. The goal is to ensure the confidential, integrity, and availability of digital assets. Cybersecurity awareness. Number 1. Firewall. A firewall acts like a security guard for your computer or networks. It filters all incoming and outgoing data, deciding what's safe and what's not. Purpose: to block hackers, viruses, and malicious software from entering your system. Example, when you connect to public Wi-Fi, your firewall prevents unwanted access from other devices. Number 2. Password. A password is your first line to defend against unauthorized access. It keeps your account, data, and devices secure from outsiders. Purpose: to verify that only you can access your personal account or files. Example, a strong password includes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Number 3. Phishing. Phishing is a cyber trick where attackers send fake emails or messages pretending to be trusted people or companies. Their goals is to steal your passwords, credit card numbers, or personal data. Purpose: to deceive user into revealing confidential information. Example, an email saying, "Your account is locked. Click here to verify your detail."
Okay, we're done with the password, firewall, and phishing. Now, let's proceed to malware. Malware: malicious software that damages or steals your data. Avoid downloading from untrusted sites. So, what is malware? Malware means malicious software. It is a programs designed to damage or take control of your system. It includes viruses, worms, trojans, spyware, and ransomware. What is the purpose of malware? To steal data, harm files, or spy on your activities. For example, a free game downloaded that secretly installed spyware. Tips para maiwasan ito is to install trusted antivirus software and avoid downloading from unknown sources. Next is encryption. It turns your data into secret code to keep it private, secure from hackers. What is encryption? Encryption is like turning your data into a secret code that only authorized people can read. It protects sensitive information when it's stored or sent online. So, what is the purpose of encryption? To ensure your privacy and prevent hackers from reading confidential data. For example nito is when you shop online, encryption protect your payments detail. Paano ito maiiwasan? Look for HTTP in website. The S means the site is encrypted and secure. Next is virus, a type of malware that spreads between devices and harms your system. Use antivirus protection. So what is a virus? A virus is a type of malware that spreads from one file or device to another, often damaging data or slowing your computer. Ang purpose po nito is to disrupt system, delete files, or steal information, magnakaw na information. And for example, an infected USB drive spreading harmful file to multiple computers. Paano ito maiiwasan? To keep your antivirus update and avoid opening unknown attachment. Huwag tayong basta-bastang click ng link kasi hindi natin alam, baka may virus yun to affect our computers. Next is hacking. Unauthorized access to system or accounts. Stay safe with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Hacking. Ano nga ba ang hacking? Hacking means unauthorized access to computer systems or networks. Some hackers do it for fun, and others for stealing data or to cause harm. For example nito is a hacker breaking into a company database to steal personal information. Para maiwasan ito, is use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication and update your software often. And that's all po. Paano ba tayo ulit magiging aware sa cybersecurity? Number 1, firewall. Number 2, strong password. Number 3, phishing. And then number 4, malware. Number 5, encryption. And then number 6, virus. Number 7 is hacking. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. By understanding these traits and using protective measures like strong passwords, firewalls, and encryption, we can create a safer digital world.